Extreme weather events range from the inconvenient to the downright deadly.
On the left here, we're looking at what's called infrared imagery of Tropical Storm Jerry, which is a current active storm in the western Atlantic.
Orbital Microsystems are building 48 satellites to track crops, ships, and catastrophic weather events.
Storms are not tracking along the historic lines anymore. So now being able to monitor a storm from space every 15 minutes, you're going to be able to see the subtle changes that could make the difference in the lives of thousands, if not millions of people.
It's called ICED, the International Centre for Earth Data. It's been developed jointly with Edinburgh University to cut the waiting time for information from orbit from hours to minutes.
By making the instruments much cheaper and having 48 of them instead of 6, they can see a hurricane, they hope, every 15 minutes rather than every 3 hours. And that hopefully will allow them to have a better idea whether it's going to hit Miami or whether it's just going to miss.
Several Scottish companies are already gathering and processing data from space. This centre aims to acquire more information about more extreme events faster.
We're engaged in this 10-year programme of data-driven innovation here at the university, and that's our contribution to the Edinburgh and City region deal. So we have these really large objectives around creating growth, jobs, and harnessing all the skills and talent we have in the university to make Edinburgh the data capital of Europe. But under the space and satellites theme, I also want to make it the space data capital of Europe.
The weather today is fairly benign here, but climate change means that extreme weather events are becoming more frequent. And that's why it's important to get data from up there, down here, as quickly as possible. Kenneth MacDonald, reporting Scotland, Edinburgh.